Welcome to our first Mendeley Minute. In this episode, we'll show you how to import documents into your Mendeley library quickly and easily. Mendeley gives you a variety of options for importing documents. The simplest way is to just drag and drop a file into the desktop application. Mendeley will automatically extract citation information for you. You can also drag and drop multiple files at the same time, or entire folders. In addition to extracting citation information, Mendeley will automatically organize your library by authors, title, publication year, and other fields. As a second option, Mendeley enables you to import references from other reference managers, like EndNote. Just drag and drop the XML file containing your references, and Mendeley will import them in the proper format. Finally, Mendeley lets you save documents directly from another catalog, like the Public Library of Science. If it's your first time doing a web import, go to www.mendeley.com/import. To install our bookmarklet, simply drag it to the toolbar of your web browser. Now that you have our bookmarklet installed, click Import to Mendeley on your browser whenever you come across an article that interests you on the web. Doing so imports the reference directly into your web library. To view it on your desktop client, simply click Sync, and you're good to go.